Although research has yet to determine the exact mechanism in which ingested vitamin E can help prevent hair loss, some experts believe that the vitamin is capable of healing damaged capillaries in the scalp. This in turn improves circulation to the area, stimulating hair follicles and encouraging growth. Improved circulation also facilitates healing from multiple types of damage, including dryness and chemical treatments. To consume more of this vitamin, you may want to take vitamin E capsules or include more vitamin E-rich foods such as spinach and broccoli in your diet. It may also be helpful to apply vitamin E topically. The vitamin can work in two ways when applied directly onto hair, by providing immediate nourishment to dry and damaged hair and by acting as a shield against further damage. Topical application may prevent hair loss by rejuvenating and strengthening damaged hair. The most common treatment methods using vitamin E for hair loss involve direct topical application. Many commercial hair care products in the market are formulated with vitamin E compounds, so individuals can choose to wash their hair with vitamin E-enriched shampoo or use a leave-on conditioner. Vitamin E oil is another common topical treatment. Despite their popularity, topical products often aren't as effective as taking a vitamin supplement capsule. Capillary repair is only possible if the vitamin is directly absorbed into the system, so while topical application might help prevent hair loss, it cannot promote hair growth. In addition, topical application is more prone to human error. Many individuals tend to rinse treatments out before they can be properly absorbed by the hair and scalp. Some experts also warn about the possibility of overdosing on vitamin E supplements. Several studies have found evidence to suggest that too much of the vitamin can actually worsen cases of hair loss. As a result, the recommended dosage varies greatly. A number of experts estimate that 400 to 600 IU of supplementation is the ideal dosage when taking vitamin E for hair loss.